Yeah, I'm just returning a call.
All right. Another good evening yesterday, huh?
Amazing.
Getting really
Except for one thing, I had a little. All right, I'll tell you when I get back. Give me 2 minutes.
okay, go ahead. Can't wait to hear this. Well, NQ looks like it ran up to all-time highs overnight. Now we're getting a big pullback. Let's see here. All right. I just read what you wrote, Dan. That's right. I miss those stories. He's supposed to be coming back. Mm, we might have some Boss Hog here in a little while. Hopefully soon. Then I woke up in jail.
Thought he was supposed to be back a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, I think he was having some his scheduling issues or something with his job.
What's he do full time?
He works for Caterpillar.
Oh, nice.
He didn't want to, but he had put so many years in, he had to finish out so he'd get his retirement. He wanted to trade full time, but didn't make any sense. When you put in that many years, you might as well finish it.
Trade in the evenings.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. You can bet I'll be trading in the evenings. I am absolutely sold on trading the Asian market. Way too consistent. And next week I'll be copying some accounts, so it won't be just my average $200 to $300. It's going to be across some accounts. Make some real money in the evenings.
Yep.
Yeah, David, we trade Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for the Asian Open around 8 o'clock Eastern, roughly. I mean, sometimes we come in a little earlier, but we've been doing pretty well. I personally been averaging. We trade small, obviously it's slower, but I've been averaging between $200 and $300 every night, trading one micro at a time. Yes, last night we had a banger night, really good night. We had we were long from the very beginning on ES. We scaled in a couple times, took some profit, and then we took a couple breakout trades, like 2 or 3 breakout trades in the NQ for. I think I finished almost $300. I don't remember 392 or something like that. I don't know exactly. Somewhere in the somewhere 292. Excuse me, not 392. Well, oh, that's a bummer. Well, yeah, try to come in with us. Try to come in with everybody. Try to come in. I'm telling you, you guys are missing out. It's very laid back. We do it in the
Printing
member
money.
hangout. We do it in the member hangout so everybody can talk. It's just a whole nother different kind of trading.
Yeah, David, come on, buddy.
Yeah, Dan. I mean, I was never a fan of trading at night, but I've
So
changed my
freaking
mind. I'm singing a
predictable.
different song now.
So predictable at night.
Very predictable.
So
Like-
freaking predictable, man. It's so easy. And all we're doing is playing levels. That's it.
Yep, that's it. Nothing else.
We're not using bias. I mean, we have a little bit of bias, but not really on NQ. We just trade from level to level and then
NQs, we're just breaking levels and taking trades. That's all we're doing.
break out of a level, trade it. Reverse at a level, trade it. That's all we're doing.
Trade it. That's it. Nothing else. Yes, we do kind of have a little bit of a bias.
Yeah, I mean,
We
well,
trade.
we end up layering in. I mean, we haven't lost a single trade on the MES in the evening. You know that, right?
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Not a single one. And it's all been $65 to $100 nights. By the way, I ended up.
I'll be right back. You keep talking.
Okay, I was going to tell you this. Accidentally left an order on last night. I don't know how that happened. I didn't see it on my charts on the M&Q one contract, so it took $145 back from me. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Care.
I know it's.
I'm just working at the same time here. I had another all-nighter, so.
Oh. You haven't been to bed yet.
Nope, sitting right here in this spot.
Oy, oy, oy.
Well, I've got one big project that I sold, and
Oh, sweet.
they're it's called an MSP, Managed Services Provider. It's not technical marketing. And anytime that you take over for another IT company and they're being a horse's ass, it makes life interesting.
Mr. Ed's butt. Mr. Ed's butt. You didn't hear what I said, Paul.
I did not.
I woke up, turned on Ninja, and I was down $145 in an account, and I was like, what is going on here?
You left that sell stop or whatever that.
No,
Yes.
no,
Okay.
no. I closed that out. No, it was I had a short M and Q somewhere, and I'm pretty sure it's because it hit exactly at the bottom, and I think it's because I had the trading from the chart on, and somehow I must have accidentally clicked the bottom of the chart when I was closing out last night, and I was down 145. That could have been way worse.
Yeah.
So I took a $350 night and made it a $200 night.
Alright, well. Could have been a lot worse, for sure.
Yep. But dang, man. Dang.
I mean, we've been. I'm
Crushing
impressed
it.
with the consistency.
Well, I mean, again, on the MES, all we're doing is saying, okay, this is a level. I mean, this is what we did last time. We're like, okay, here's a level. This is a level I don't want to go below. So if it keeps bouncing here, we're just gonna keep buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, and that's what we did. And that would have been if we'd done the big aggressive target I talked about last night. If we'd done that big aggressive target I talked about last night, ooh, buddy,
It would have made it.
ooh, buddy. That been a good one. All right, let's look at this big tick chart. So
The NQ 300.
yeah, so if NQ stays up, ES stays up here. Again, I have that big level here. As long as we stay above that. I know the smaller tick chart says short in this scenario, but then the NQ says neutral in this scenario. So I think we just wait for a minute longer, see what happens here. We still have a lot of stuff. Did we just hit another all-time high last? No.
No, I don't think. I think we got right up to it.
Right at it.
Yeah, right at it.
Okay. So I was thinking this looked kind of like a bigger double top. Daily is going to have a couple wicks on top, so I'm usually a little cautious when it comes into some territory like this. Now the odds are we're going to end up seeing what we saw last night because of what happened on Friday, the end of the day on Friday. So as long as we stay above this level here, I mean, you know, I'm looking at again this level here. As long as we stay above that, I think we got a pretty good chance of getting these longs in. So let's just wait for a second longer. If not, again, we start shorting this. I mean, technically we're supposed to have a short bias right now. So where would my line in the sand be at the long side? Let's see, look at that. It'd have to be up here.
On IQ, but I don't know about this right now.
That'd be at like 74.37-ish would have to be my line in the sand on this one. And I know there's going to be a level down in the middle of this here somewhere. I think I pretty much have it here. Yeah, somewhere around this area. Yeah, so, I mean, we can... This is a tough one this morning. I mean, again, our technical stuff says we should be short, so...
I think.
And again, I was going to get rid of that level right there because I just don't like it as much. I'll come back and revisit that another time. it's much better level. It's hard not to have a long bias, but technically we're supposed to be having a short bias.
We should have a short, but boy, I sure do like the longs above VWAP on NQ.
Yeah, and again, my big strong level here at the pivot.
We'll see. One thing we'll just be patient.
I know, but I need to get into something here on the MES. Trying to think through what we need to be doing.
It's hard to call.
I wanna say layering the longs like we did last night, man. That's what I wanna say.
That's what I'm feeling. I'm
I
feeling
know.
the same thing,
That's what I wanna
but
say.
everything's looking short. That was the problem.
Staying down on our technical analysis side, so I don't want to go
I feel the
against.
same as you. I'm looking for the long on the NQ too, so.
I don't want to go. You call that, I'll take it with you. I don't want to go against it. I mean, our technical side's usually always right.
Yeah.
Here, I'll tell you what. We'll do this. Since NQ's staying around VWAP neutral-ish. Let's look at a bigger tick chart on that. Yeah, and you're sitting around the area where we chopped around. It's sitting between two big areas on the bigger tick chart here.
Just be patient. We'll get it. It'll give us a direction here a little bit.
Yeah, we're staying below those two big levels that I had. Still can't find that level. Still can't find a level around here. I'm trying to figure out where that maybe. But there we go. Be somewhere right around there. Right around there's gonna be that level, but that doesn't help us right now. So that was around 150. Oh, I already had one at 180. 22, never mind. Okay.
Back down. I mean, you could take a break at this bottom here.
All right, I'm convinced now. I mean, we're supposed to be shorting this, so
Yeah.
we'll start back up here. We'll go. Yeah, get one in at 21. Golly, we should be shorting this.
You're breaking your lows there.
Yeah, that needs to
Small
go down.
scale.
Yeah, we need to be. I should have. Follow the rules, Brian. See, be a computer. Be a computer. The rules say short, right?
Be the computer. Oh, well, we missed the trade. We'll be all right.
Rules say short. Put the short trade in.
I mean, NQ's a short here,
So is a yes.
but
The yes gotta go down further. Again, at least to the pivot here.
you could get a little bit of a retracement, so you'd have to. NQ's a short, it's just a big stop. That's the only reason I don't want to take it.
So is a yes.
But it is a short for those of you that want to take it.
All right, we gotta start putting. Almost don't have to, but let's see.
Short on NQ.
I mean, it was at the break of, originally at the break of, that would have been 16. The only reason I take it is because the stop is just too big for me. But it looks like it wants to work its way down towards pit, but this could come back up, you know.
All right, get one at 20.75.
There you go. Maybe we should jump in. You want to jump in one Michael here on the NQ? And then add if it comes back up, Brian.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to play that game on the NQ, bro. I mean, we can play a breakout here if you want to. With two little contracts and have a set stop.
I think
Alright.
now we are getting
So we
short.
probably
gold
should be
set up.
short. I'll take that
Short
short.
gold set up.
Sell it right now.
Yeah, about to break the low here. So 81.9.
Hopefully you're right on that.
We get a close below that. I think a solid close below that. I would jump in there.
All right. So we
Just let the thing come up.
I don't know if I want to use this minor level here, but maybe. That's not bad. Let's do. This will just give us a point to get in there. So 15.75. 15. Get one in there, try to, and then I'm going to do a breakout below this level because, well, that's what my rules say to do since I have a strong level. So if we can go below this level and stay there, we can get one. Oh, no, wrong one. That's at, we're going to go at 9.20.
Short gold.
9.25.
81. Basically right now. 81.
All right. There's that order, that stuff ready to go. That's my stuff for right now on the ES, so you guys can follow that. Now, if we get filled on pop back up, we cancel the sell stop. But that's not going to happen. And then now I would be comfortable looking at this as a breakout on the NQ short. I'd actually venture to say that we could use more than a couple contracts.
Let it pull back up towards the 89. That'd be a decent entry, maybe.
Or look for a setup on the 6. Get a 610 setup here on the short side. Because I don't know if I want to buy out of this junk here. Above this, you could probably buy. Definitely a little bit of a short bias on this. Maybe we'll get this to come up. I'm gonna go down to like 16 even on this contract. For the MES, so all we're doing here, I don't know if you guys are following along with this. All I'm trying to do here is grab a couple contracts. So I want to cancel this, especially if it comes up and grabs this contract. Now, we could say, well, the conservative thing is way up here, but then this is where I'm going to change my bias today if it breaks this level here and stays above it. But we could look at being 3 deep, really. Yeah, so 28. 28.75.
Market this morning.
Put another order in at 28.75. There you go. There's your big, mean, nasty dynamic sizing methodology. Trying to create some positive expectancy using my levels. All right.
And avoid the phantom setup syndrome.
It's a lot like Phantom Arm syndrome, but
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, welcome
Phantom
back.
setup syndrome. All right, I'm gonna take another.
You missed a whole
count.
bunch of stuff. No,
No,
oh, you're done trading.
yeah, because
Nice.
I ended up two minis, or two,
What?
two minis. I had a different chart set up from before, and I clicked on the wrong chart. It just two minis, and it jumped up and knocked me out, hit my limit. Actually, no limit.
Oh
Walk
no,
away.
oh no. Oh, so you got lucky. I need to miss. I had to miss. Okay.
I've done that before. It
Dan,
sucks.
David. Morning, guys. Dan,
Being
David,
patient this morning,
Hunter,
guys. Just being patient.
Tom, the Toms are in the house. Jim, Greg, what's up, fellas? All right. So again, we either take the breakout down here, or get a contract up there. Do nothing. Does anybody want? You guys want to see what I'm doing with the aggressive account I have? If not, keep it to myself. I don't think anybody's following me on these MES trades, except for Paul.
I'm with you.
I think Paul's the only one doing it.
I'm in this trade.
Nobody else.
I'm
is
also
doing
in
it.
a gold trade that I think I'm about to lose for the first time.
Oh man.
I know, break my streak and take a loss on gold.
Yeah. Oh, you can have that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I got to stop at the halfway mark. We'll see.
All right, maybe we start taking little baby targets here. Add one, take a baby target. Add one, take a baby
I
target.
mean, with this market, probably not a half bad idea, to be honest with you. Because, I mean, as far as NQ is concerned, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. It could go either way.
I'm trying not to screw up last night, considering the fact that I gave back.
Gave back $140. Look at that, my gold trade's coming back.
How much room do you give it, man? That's a $200 worth of room you're giving it.
No, it's $100. It's $100 to make
It
100.
had to be right on it.
That's a halfway mark of the range. That's my stop. Hey, it's worked out every single time. Looks like it's going to work out again. It's coming back down. I'm not afraid to take a little heat. I'm in at, you can get a better entrance, but I'm in at 81, and my stop is at 92. 100 maybe, I'll see what happens. That's what that's how I've been doing it, and it's been working, so.
100 to make 100, huh?
Yeah. One micro. Make that a mini, 1,000 to make 1,000. There goes NQ. I think NQ wants to pivot. It's just gonna take its time getting there. It's gonna song and dance its way down there.
Same old song and dance. I did it. I got that one. I had to do that.
Yeah.
You saw me do it too. I was like, I don't want this call this trade because it's a little bit of a, but it stayed below my level. It did everything I wanted to. It pushed down. I mean, it had some good stuff that I was looking at this earlier. I was like, I told you if it breaks below this again, I'm gonna sell it. And I should have got the sell signal up. Here's what I should have done.
If you're scared of gold, you can get out and profit now. I'm gonna hold. If you're scared, you can get out and profit.
Oh, shoot. Stop a little too tight on that. All right, ES, two contracts deep. Now we look for 450 as a target. Should be 2 contracts deep now in the ES. You're looking for 450 as a target. So let's put that in. I mean, unless you want to hold 2.
I'm holding all over.
You want to hold 2? Is anybody following my MES stuff here? Anybody?
I'm
Other than
lock and
Paul?
barrel with you. Lock and barrel.
You guys don't want to make this money with us, or what?
I'll take it. More for me.
I know.
Come on.
Nope, none of you guys are doing this. Do I need to teach you how to do it? Dan? David?